This is an introduction to the business of self-publishing a book for beginners. Learn to self-publish in Amazon Kindle and paperback formats. This short course provides an introduction to the business of self-publishing for beginners. This course is intended for those new to self-publishing, in search of advice regarding the complexities of the self-publishing process. The course provides answers to the most common novice questions, including: why publish your book? Why pursue self-publishing instead of traditional publishing? The steps to self-publishing a book. Where you can self-publish your book. Why you should self-publish your book exclusively on Amazon. The benefits of entering the Kindle Select program. Why you should self-publish a print-on-demand, POD, paperback. When to self-publish your ebook everywhere through Smashwords, and why you should not self-publish an audiobook through ACX. After finishing this course, you will understand the self-publishing process, your publishing options, and which of those options are best for you. The course concludes with an article providing pointers to additional Udemy courses explaining how to self-publish a book in multiple formats and on multiple book distributor sites, options for creating a book cover, and book marketing tips. Before attempting to self-publish a book, you need to watch this course. I'll see you in the classroom. This has been Brian Jackson.